So in the shop today, we've got a Titan XD Pro 4X. They're getting started on it right now. It's getting a 6-inch rough country kit on there. Mike's getting started on these wheels that we've got. We've got the Weld off-road chasms. Pretty sweet looking wheel, one that we don't get to do too often. And then we've got the Dick Cepek trail country tires going on there as well. So we'll see how it turns out. And the Cummins Titan is out of the shop. Like I said, we did a rough country 6-inch kit on here. We did the Dick Cepek trail country tires. So these are a great, inexpensive tire, perfect fit for this thing. And then we did the Weld off-road chasm wheels, and it just so happens that I wore my Weld shirt today and didn't even plan it. Just worked out that way. So turned out phenomenal, and I'm sure the customer is gonna absolutely love it. He's got a little damage over there on that side, so who knows, we might see this thing back for a bumper.